To fix Cash App Borrow missing, start by ensuring you have the latest version of the Cash App installed on your device. Open the app and navigate to the bottom navigation bar. Then tap on the profile icon. Scroll down to the Cash App settings and select it. Look for the Borrow option. If you do not see it, try restarting the app or your device. If the issue persists, check if you are eligible for a Cash App loan. To be eligible, you must have an active Cash App account with a verified account and a history of using the app for transactions. You must also be at least 18 years old and have a valid Social Security number. Ensure your account is verified and you have provided the required identification documents. If you have met all the eligibility criteria and the borrow option is still missing, try contacting Cash App support. You can do this by navigating to the Cash App settings, then selecting support, and finally, something else. Here, you can describe the issue you are facing and request assistance from the Cash App team. They will guide you through the process of resolving the issue and restoring the borrow option. It is also essential to note that Cash App Borrow is not available in all states. So if you are in a state where it is not available, you will not be able to access the feature. Always review the Cash App terms and conditions to understand the requirements and any limitations that may apply to the borrow feature. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and access the Cash App Borrow feature if you are eligible. Remember to always use the feature responsibly and make timely repayments to avoid any additional fees or charges.